For me personally, training this week was the boys were hungry for this week's game against the Rebels, because we all know as a team is do-or-die match in order for us to go through in the quarters. To all the fans out here in Fiji and abroad, as you all know, this is your team, the Fijian Drua. It's not ours. We are just here to come and wear this jersey and play our hearts out for this country. We ask if you can come and back the boys up for tomorrow's game, because the boys has nothing to lose and to give their all for tomorrow's game. Like for us this week, it was sunny as the boys prepared, but coming out today for our captain's run, and the weather changes like this, so we will talk with the boys and we'll just adapt to it and change our game plans to more similar that can play in this kind of weather. We talked about that yesterday, that this is their last year and they'll come out and give their all, because there's no Melbourne Rebels again next year, so something to remember for them. But as we prepared, we can see in the gym and out here during every session, the boys are just giving their best in order for us to achieve our targets to be in the quarters. It's a big motivation for us and a bit of encouragement for the boys to see some of our #1 fans, we could say, always cheers us in their hall, in their camp, in their home. But for them to be here and meet us in person, we could see the smiles in their faces and a big motivation to the boys. So when we play tomorrow, we'll think of them and think of all the people here in Fiji who can't afford to be in the ground, but still cheering us on the TV.